Master the art of organizing your presentation content. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting video on improving your public speaking and presentation skills. Today, we will delve into an important aspect of preparing for your public speeches or presentations: organizing the body of your presentation. Specifically, we'll be learning how to effectively divide your content into sections. Before we begin, let's understand why it's crucial to divide our content into sections. Organizing your content can make or break your presentation. Proper organization aids in your clarity of thought, ease of delivery, and audience comprehension. Well-divided content sections allow your audience to follow along and better understand your message, reducing the chances of losing your audience midway. Now, let's talk about how to divide your content. 1. Identify your main points. Start by outlining the main points you want to cover in your presentation. Every presentation should have 3 to 5 main points. 2. Create subtopics. Once you have your main points, you can divide each into subtopics. Each subtopic will further explain or support your main points. 3. Sequence your points. After identifying your main points and subtopics, decide the order in which they should be presented. Start with the most engaging or vital information to capture your audience's attention. Here are a few tips to help you effectively divide your content into sections. Keep it balanced. Try to give each section about the same amount of attention. Unbalanced sections can make your presentation feel disjointed. Use clear transitions. Transitions are the glue that binds your sections together. A good transition can smoothly lead your audience from one point to the next. Recap regularly. At the end of each section, recap the main points. This helps cement the information in your audience's minds. And that's it. You're now equipped to effectively divide your content into sections for your next presentation. Remember, a well-organized presentation not only makes your work easier but also greatly improves your audience's understanding and engagement. Keep practicing these techniques, and you will surely master the art of organizing your presentation content. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, happy presenting!